So you think that life in abroad is happy? No, it's not. It's not all the time. Especially pag Christmas. This is the most this is a sad, although may mga party, but that's not it. Hindi ibig sabihin na totally happy kami. It's not, kasi we are still longing to be with our family back home, but we don't have that chance every December. So kayo dyan, you have to make most of it. Happy kayo kahit as I said, kahit kunting salo-salo, basta everybody is there. So, because right now I can feel that my family, they are having gatherings, you know. So, nagkakaisa. So, dito, ako lang mag-isa. So, it's very sad. So, there's no point na maghanda-handa kami kasi kami lang naman din. So, si Denise nakisleep over. So, kami lang David na iwan dito. Tapos si David may pinuntahan. So, ako na lang mag-isa. So, the more sad. But anyway, yeah, later on we'll be going to our friend's house. At doon na magsalo-salo din. Pero iba pa din yung feeling mo na kasama mo ang family back home sa Pilipinas. So you are very lucky guys that marami kayo dyan. Kasi kami dito, kami lang talaga. I just feel so sad. But anyway, it'll be okay later on. The more pag New Year. Tapos you have to spend your New Year sa bahay mo talaga. So kami lang tatlo, 'di ba? So maybe you think that masaya. Well, masaya but it's not the same kung kasama mo talaga ang family mo sa Pilipinas. Wish one day I can spend Christmas with my family back home. One day kasi iba kasi ang trabaho eh. It's hard. 2 weeks lang ang off. It's hindi naman worth na mag-off ka ng 2 weeks. 'Di ba? Kasi anyway. So yan lang, nagmuni-muni lang ako. It's just I can feel kasi na masaya sa Pilipinas. Yung mga family nagsalo-salo. Yun lang guys. So that is why OFW, yung nasa malayo sa Pilipinas, it's not easy. Yeah, so ganyan lang. Merry Christmas to all. And then sa family ko back home, enjoy kayo dyan. Kahit kunting salo-salo, okay na yan. Ang importante is, we are all healthy. Yun lang. Kasi pag healthy tayo, we can work, we can earn money. We can have money. Pag magsakit, yan ang mahirap. Kasi, ayun na nga. Wala pang money, magkasakit pa. The more tayo na So anyway, yan lang. And hope you had a lovely Christmas back home and here also. Family and friends, relatives. Salamat guys for watching. Bye. God bless us all.